else?
Listen and respond.
So, be aware. Look at the verbal. Look at the non-verbal. Listen. So, be aware. The verbal messages, non-verbal messages. Listen. And the most important part of that is to adapt, which comes into the action plan for Gibbs's reflective model. So in Gibbs's reflective model next, what's the first thing you look at? What are the component parts? Description of what happened. Next. Feelings. Next. Evaluation. Next. Critical analysis. Next. Conclusions. Next. Action plan. Good. I want you to explain all these. This is in your introduction. And then if you can, add a little bit of your own opinion on that. Your own analysis on that, which gives you more marks. Because now you're giving me more information. You're saying to me, you're looking into this deeper. Because you're here on this course because you hope to be leaders in industry. That when you leave here, you need to be the best. And in order to do that, you need to be able to think critically and analyze. Do you understand? So if you can add that in, that'd be great. It gives you more marks. Is everyone clear about the introduction? How many words? 400 words, that's it. 400 words, okay. And then we need to do what? After that, we've got to do what? 3 blogs. Blog 1, 2, and 3. Approximately how many words per blog?
370, 400.
Yes, that's very precise. It shows good listening skills. Took that in. Well. And when we start with each blog, what are we going to start with? This. Yeah, Gibbs reflective on a specific situation that has happened with communication with you in your workplace with your mentor. That makes sense? So, in other words, I say, okay, what happened? Then I go for what happened. And this is what happened in the situation with my workplace mentor. And then, how did I feel with that? And then, what was good and bad? What was the advantages and disadvantages of that? And what's my critical analysis of that? What are my conclusions of that? Next time that happens, what am I going to do? How am I going to react? Yeah? And you need to do 3 of those. What do you think? Good? Bad? Okay.
So you should give us 3 examples in each block.
1 example in each. So,
1 example. So we should have 3.
yes. 3 blocks.
3 different
Yes.
blocks.
Yes. So 400, 400, 400. It's just 1,200 words plus the 400 words for the introduction, which is 1,600 words, which was in the 10% plus 10%.
So there should be 3 situations in each blog.
No, 1 situation
For each block.
for each blog.
Yeah.
1 blog, 1 situation. And you go through Gibbs's reflective model in each blog. Yep. No, yes, talk to me. So how many blogs?
3.
How many situations?
3.
How many situations per blog?
1.
I just wanted to see who was going to say 3. Okay, excellent. That's fantastic. Thank you for that, guys. Very, 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 very good. Well done. So, I will upload this to YouTube and put the link on a specific place so you can see it, just in case you missed anything. Okay? Thank you for... Any other questions? No?
We do conclusion at the end?
Yes. Yes. Conclusions at the end of your whole experience. 1 second. Okay. So, conclusions at the end. Again, when I say conclusions, I suppose more of an analysis and conclusions to give you the higher marks. Okay, but remember, you haven't got much space now, so you've only got about 50 words left. If you stick to the guidelines, you haven't got much for that. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Anything to add? Thank you, guys, for Mr. Tan. In what lesson is this?
Communication
And-
and collaborating working.
Thank you.
Number of module 114.
Excellent. Okay.